Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'm sharing with you these strawberry shortcake ephemera packs. I have 4 of them, and they each have 40 pieces approximately, and they include book pages, vintage fabrics. This is a huckleberry fin fabric that I have, and then some strawberry shortcake vintage fabric that was from a pillowcase. There are those little pieces there, and then these 2 bigger panels. I made 2 ruffles with some strawberry fabric. They're a little over a foot long. And then there's some smaller pieces. This is just a gingham card. And then there is a stamped doily and an altar paper clip there with the strawberry. And then I made this strawberry button. It's a fabric button with that fabric. There are some red tickets, 3 of them attached, and then I made this strawberry library card pocket with an altered library card. I made a paper piece vintage strawberry shortcake and then a journaling strawberry card, both with my Cricut. And then there is a strawberry envelope that I made that is full of little ephemera pieces. Those are 2 pieces from a vintage strawberry shortcake board game, and then there are a couple Monopoly colors that will go with it. There's a small strawberry die cut, some strawberry stickers, different shapes. I think there's an actual shaped strawberry and then that little square strawberry piece. There is a stamped ticket that says "Berry Sweet." There are 2 little strawberry board game pieces there from the vintage strawberry shortcake game, and then I stamped the back of a vintage milk cap. There is a vintage strawberry cookbook card, and then, or not cookbook, but recipe card, and then 2 note pages with strawberries. This is a newest strawberry shortcake, and then a mid-century, not mid-century, but you know what I mean, the middle strawberry shortcake. That was another book page. A Giotto card, and then 2 vintage strawberry recipe pages. And then this is a strawberry shortcake coloring book page. This is a strawberry printed wax paper. And that concludes everything that are in these packs. Now there are 4 of them, and I'm showing you the other 3 here. They all have the identical items, but of course the book pages are different in each one, but they all have to do with strawberry shortcake. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and check these out in my Etsy shop. Talk to you later. Bye. God bless.